Hello students, now chapter 6 Bhakti Sufi tradition has been prepared. Now the old questions will help you not only in board exams but also all competitive exams. So now students, let's start. See next. Sculpture of Buddhist goddess Marichi was found in MP, Bihar, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is Bihar. Next. Which Chol ruler had consecrated metal images of the Apar Sundar in Shiv temple? Yes, correct answer is which Alwar saint was ruler of Kerala Chair kingdom? Kulshekhar, Tirupan, Periyalwar, Pudam. Correct answer is Kulshekhar. See next. Which Sufi saint had addressed himself as Sultan ul Mashaikh? Qutbuddin Kaki, Nizamuddin Aulia, Sheikh Salim Chishti, Muhyiddin Chishti. Correct answer is Nizamuddin Aulia. Sikh Guru had compiled Baba Guru Nanak hymns. Correct answer is Guru Arjan Dev. Next, which Bhakti saint was preceptor of Mirabai? Raidas, Ramanand, Dadu Dayal, Chaitanya. Preceptor of Mirabai. Correct answer is Raidas. Who had introduced Qawwal? Nizamuddin Aulia, Sheikh Salim Chishti, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Amir Khusro. Correct answer is Amir Khusro. Which Sufi saint was contemporary of Tughlaq? Sheikh Fariduddin, Nizamuddin Aulia, Muhyiddin Chishti, Sheikh Salim Chishti. Contemporary of Muhammad bin Tughlaq or Tughlaq dynasties. Nizamuddin Aulia. Yes. Which Bhakti saint was preceptor of Saint Kabir? Preceptor of Saint Kabir. Correct answer is Ramanand. Which Chol ruler had offered Gangajal in Shiv temple? Yes. He had brought from Bengal. Correct answer is Rajendra first is the correct answer. See next. Who is considered the founder of the Nirgun Bhakti movement? Tulsidas, Mirabai, Kabir, Surdas. Nirgun Bhakti. Yes. Correct answer is Kabir. Next, Mirabai was a devotee of Shiv, Ram, Krishna, Vishnu. Correct answer is C. Krishna. Next, the term Bhakti literally means knowledge, detachment, devotion, meditation. Yes, correct answer is devotion. See next, which Bhakti saint composed the epic poem Ramcharitmanas? Surdas, Tulsidas, Kabir, Ravidas. Correct answer is Tulsidas. Next, Bhakti saint often rejected caste distinctions and ritualism, personal devotion, music and poetry, love towards God. Yes, correct answer is against casteism. Next, the Sikh faith emerged during the Bhakti Sufi period and was founded by. Yes, correct answer is Guru Nanak. Which Sufi saint's Dargah in Ajmer is the famous pilgrimage site? Nizamuddin Aulia, Khwaja Muhyiddin Chishti, Shah Jalal, Baba Farid. Yes, Khwaja Muhyiddin Chishti. Next, the language commonly used by Bhakti saint to spread their message law was Sanskrit, Persian, vernacular languages, Arabic. Yes, it was used vernacular languages. The Bhakti tradition that believed God is without form is called Shagun, Nirgun, Tantric, Alvars. Yes, correct answer is Nirgun. Which Bhakti saint was known for composing devotional songs in Brij Bhasha? Kabir, Surdas, Tulsidas, Mirabai. Correct answer is Surdas. Sufism primarily emphasizes outer ritual and laws, inner purification and love for God, military conquest, caste hierarchies. Yes, correct answer is inner purification and love for God. Next, the Bhakti movement mainly originated in Northern India, Southern India, Western India, Eastern India. Correct answer is Southern India. See next. The Sufi concept of fana means eternal life, annihilation of the self is in God, charity to the poor, ritual prayer. Fana. Yes. Annihilation. Yes. Correct. Question is, which Bhakti poetess was Rajput princess? Mirabai, Tulsidas, Andal, Akka Mahadevi. Rajput princess. Yes. Mirabai belonged to Medta. Next, the Bhakti movement rejected the authority of Ved, Brahmin and priestly rituals, temples, devotion. Yes, Bhakti movement rejected Brahmins and priestly rituals. Next, the main purpose of the Bhakti and Sufi movement was to promote social equality and direct devotion to God, build large temples, increase caste division, expand territory. Yes, correct answer is promote social equality. Next, Kabir's poem often contains criticism of religious orthodoxy and hypocrisy, praise of ritual sacrifices, detailed historical events, scientific explanation. Correct answer is A. Next, Guru Nanak preached the concept of one God and equality to all humans, idol worship, strict caste system, only rituals. Yeah, correct answer is A. The compilation of Guru Nanak's teachings is known as Adi Granth. Next, Bijak, Sakhis, Gyaneshwari. Adi Granth. Next, Akka Mahadevi was devotees of which deity? Ram, Shiv, Vishnu, Krishna. Akka Mahadevi. Yes, devotee of Shiv. See next. Guru Nanak was born in which year? 1469, 1440, 1500 C. Correct answer is 1469. See next. The term Silsila in Sufism refers to chain of disciples, chain of temples, chain mail, chain of poetry. Yes, correct answer is chain of disciples. See next. Who composed Abhan Gas is Marathi? Surdas, Namdev, Tulsidas, Chaitanya. Abhangas. Yes, Namdev is correct answer. Which Bhakti saint was a devotee of Vitthal? Namdev, Tulsidas, Chaitanya, Tukaram. Vitthal belongs from Maharashtra by Tukaram. Who composed the Alvars, Tamil hymns? Tulsidas, Kabir, Namvalvar, Vasav. Next, Basavana was associated with which movement? Alvars, Lingayat, Bhakti in Bengal, Chishti order. Basavana belongs from Lingayat. Next, who among the following Bhakti saints was weaver by profession. Kabir, Tulsidas, Ramanuj, Surdas. Correct answer is Kabir. See next. The term Urs is the Sufi tradition referred to initiated ceremony of the disciples, annual fair at the Dargah, marriage of the Sufi saint, death anniversary of a Sufi saint. Yes, death anniversary of Sufi saint. Next, which language did Kabir mainly write in? Sanskrit, Persian, Avdi and Hindi and Tamil. Correct answer is Avdi and Hindi. Next, the main aim of both Bhakti and Sufi movements was spread political ideologies, encourage war, deep personal devotion to God, expand empire. Correct answer is C. Deep personal devotion to God. Students, I hope the all questions will help you a lot in all type of exams. All the best.